So it's been a couple of weeks since I did this, and here's the flip through of it, showing extra bits that I've done and bits that I haven't done and can do in the future. So this one I coloured in those stars, I coloured in the honeycomb and added some gems, just went around that, added shading around Captain America. This one, because of the oranges, I found these foamy stickers and added those, and this Halloween-y type stamping, and just had a little kind of doodle around in places. Apart from colouring in the leaves, I did nothing to this page because I like, I think I added that in, yeah I did add that in as well, the Me Sarcastic Never. I just really liked it, and it reminds me of Bob the Skull from the Harry Dresden books. This one I added this, which was in my pile of words, but I hadn't, it was one of the pages where I was like, I'll add some words later, and then I run out of time. So I added that, added some little flower stickers, added some flowers, added a feather because it went with the bird, added a little bit more blue ink around the edges. I think I might add some more bits here and there on this one. This one I added some fairies and I coloured in the dye and just went round and added some shading. This one I wanted to add more brown to it because the main image was brown, so I just put some brown onto the words, added some brown to the stars, and then I did this little doodle around the edge to create a frame. I did nothing to this one because I really like, I think I coloured in that bit a little bit with some scribble sticks, but other than that I really did nothing else to it because I really like how it turned out. I hadn't planned on it being so fitting in, but it did, so I left that. I really like how this one turned out. I added some flourishes because I didn't like how the stamping was, but other than that I've left it as is. I will do something to it at some point, but at the moment I just really like the colours and just everything about it. I don't like this one in any way, shape or form. I added some extra orange, but other than that I didn't really do anything to it because I don't like it. This one was quite hard to do anything extra to. I tried to colour the leaves in green, but because on blue it was a bit hard, unless I used a different medium, which I just haven't done yet. I added some extra ink to kind of make it less white, and added some shading to these bits. This one I coloured in the butterfly, added some fairies, and just stamped a frame of leaves. And I may have coloured in the background a little bit, I'm not sure. I don't like this page at all, so I just added a little bit of colour there. Other than that I just left as is. I like this one a lot, so I added these little bug stickers, or beetle stickers, and in my head it's like they're going off to be dinner for him. So yeah. This one I just coloured in the leaves and added some bunny stickers and some flower stickers. This one I got the image of this lady from either an English Heritage or National Trust magazine. I know she's not a sailor or a pirate, but she looks like she could be one. So I added a ship and a ship in a bottle, coloured in the stars, added some gems, coloured in this, and yeah, really like how this one turned out. This one I did nothing to, apart from some shading. I will at some point do more to it, but I don't quite know what. This one I added an extra bird, so it's kind of as though these two birds are taunting the cat. And added some googly eyes to this bird. Added some stamping and some flowers on this border. I like this one and how it turned out, so I just coloured in the stars, coloured in the writing, added a little border and added some shading. I really like how this one turned out as well, so I just added a little bit of lace, added some shading and this stamping down here. This is the page that was least finished, so obviously had the most done to it. So I added the picture and the words, which were in my pile of things to add. I add these little sloth stickers because I liked them and they fitted in quite well. And then put some gems in and this stamping that I then coloured in. So yeah, that was that. So I can add extra bits to it as and when I want to. I really enjoy doing them and I hope that you'll all have a bash at it too. Thank you very much for watching the whole series of videos, and hopefully I'll be back doing other stuff next week. Bye for now. Boosh.